Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today there is another hack I guarantee you don't know about it. There is turn off analysis and improvements. Turn off these iOS 15 settings. You have to turn it off because every second or 2-3 minutes later, your phones can share a lot of data in there. Once start tap on setting here and then privacy, scroll down, there is option analytics and improvements. Select that one. As you can see, there is analytics data. Click on that one. There is heaps of data daily. Actually, Apple sending to share that show data to the Apple company, like that's the Facebook, Instagram, just my event.